To enable Face ID on Amex Mobile, start by ensuring your device is compatible with this feature, which includes iPhone models with Face ID capability. First, open the Amex Mobile app and log in to your account using your username and password. If you are a new user, you may need to create an account or enroll in the service. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings or Security section of the app, which is usually located at the bottom or top right corner of the screen. The exact location may vary depending on the app version. In the Settings section, look for the Security or Biometric Authentication option, which may be listed as Face ID, Facial Recognition, or Biometric Login. Tap on this option to proceed. You will then be prompted to allow the Amex Mobile app to use Face ID, which involves granting the app permission to access your device's facial recognition features. To complete the setup, follow the in-app instructions to scan your face, which typically involves looking at the camera and following any on-screen prompts. This may include moving your head or adjusting your position to capture a clear image. After successfully scanning your face, you will be asked to confirm that you want to enable Face ID for the Amex Mobile app. Review the terms and conditions, then agree to enable the feature. Once Face ID is enabled, you can use it to log in to the Amex Mobile app instead of entering your username and password. This provides an additional layer of security and convenience when managing your account. To ensure the best experience, make sure your device's Face ID feature is properly set up and functioning correctly. Also, keep in mind that you may still need to enter your password or other verification methods in certain situations, such as when resetting your password or performing sensitive transactions. By following these steps, you can easily enable Face ID on the Amex Mobile app and enjoy enhanced security and convenience. When managing your American Express account,